I am Subhadeshni. I am a dentist by qualification. I have been preparing for civil services since 2015, and this is my seventh attempt. And in the first six attempts, I could not clear prelims. And this is the first attempt I had cleared prelims, mains, and interview in single stretch. And I am a right candidate to talk more on failures than the success part. And let's start. First, I would start with the mistakes that I had done. First thing, we all do not have a background study about the UPSC preparation, and simply we start because of the peer pressure or the pressure from the family. First, please do a thorough background work before starting the preparation. What I did was, after my graduation, I started entering into this preparation without understanding the demand of the UPSC preparation. Every stage of the exam, be it prelims, mains, and interview, it requires a unique skill set. For prelims, you will be needing more logical and analytical abilities, and for mains, more number of interlinkages between the different subjects is required. So without understanding that, and without having to analyze my strength and weakness in my optional subjects, I had chosen first medical science, then I shifted to anthropology, and then I shifted to political science. So these were the mistakes I did during the initial years of my preparation. So do not repeat the same mistakes that I did. Have a thorough background analysis of the preparation demand, and have a schedule, and have a proper book list, and whatever the possible analysis you would require, be it the academics and non-academics, everything you thoroughly research and then start the preparation. The second major mistake I did was, I did not see all the stages of the exam are interlinked, and it is to be done as an integrated manner. But my preparation started with the goal of clearing only prelims. I did not think about mains. I did not know even the syllabus of mains and the additional subjects that I have to be covering in mains if I start clear prelims. I did not do any of the background works, so it costed me my 3 attempts. Only from my 4th attempt, I started integrated preparation for mains as well. And since I did not even think about interview stage during the initial years of my preparation, it took a lot of time for me after I cleared my mains this time. Because I have been in isolation for such a long years, and having to face many anxiety issues, I could not do my interview preparation well. So it took around 3 months for me to start from the scratch. So you people do not make such mistakes. Start interview preparation right from day one of your preparation. You can do small steps, like you can read the newspapers, and then you can summarize it to your friends, or you can explain whatever concepts you have learned. You can teach your friends. In that way, it will be a win-win for both of you. So start integrated preparation. And the third major mistake I did was, I purchased all the materials and all the resources that are available in the market, from magazines. For covering one news article, I used to refer to minimum 3-4 websites. That mistake I did. So you people, please do not repeat the same mistake. Stick to one newspaper, stick to one news magazine. That would be very much sufficient for covering the current affairs. Do not run behind the resources. I also have read many unconventional books, like Norman Love's book for world history. That was very much unnecessary. But since there was a fear that question may come, I had bought many bulky books, but I never even revised it or never even read it again, except for the first time. So please do not run after the resources. I think you are all in the safe hands. For this attempt, what different I did was, I threw away all the other materials that I had, and I stuck to only vision materials. I'm not even exaggerating. Since I'm here, I'm not exaggerating that. I threw all the materials and only stuck to vision materials. And for current affair also, I did only PT 365 apart from newspaper. So stick to one newspaper, one magazine for current affairs, and one subject, one resource. That should be your goal. that will greatly help you in efficient revision also. And since I stuck to only one resource, I did not take any notes. That was the major advantage that I had. If I am coming across any marks, if I'm not knowing any facts or something, if I'm missing out, I used to take a small note in the resource that I'm studying only. So I did not make any notes except for a few current affairs. So do not do that. And another mistake is never be complacent in your preparation, because that costed me a lot of attempts for me to say. I used to plan regularly. I used to have plans for 6 months ahead. But sometimes I will feel very complacent and I will drop that altogether. So do not be complacent. If you have to complete 100%, and if you are doing only 80%, that is fine. But do not, in that case, even if you miss out the 20%, you can have little soft corner for yourself for completing the 80%. But in my case, sometimes I used to cover only 50%, and then I will think great about that. I will be very complacent. I finish 50%, rest 50% we will do later. That procrastinating mindset was there for me. So do not do that also. And I have seen in Delhi, when I stayed in Delhi, I have seen many people being very, self-centered. They will not even disclose the notes that they are having, and they will not have that helping tendency. Do not be like that, because even though you can also discuss with the toppers, even though everybody reads the same subject, and even though everybody has the same knowledge, but they are getting only different ranks, right? UPSC preparation is not all about knowledge. It is also about other factors also, like interpersonal skills and emotional intelligence. Everything is interlinked. So be little generous, share your notes, teach your fellow aspirants, form a peer group. It will be very helpful for you.